Hi, welcome to this brief tutorial. It's going to be on how to create an APA reference page using Microsoft Word, which makes your life so much easier. All right, so first thing, I'm in the Home ribbon. If you come over to the References tab, which is right here, and click it, the Reference ribbon comes up. And the fourth section, so not the table of contents, footnotes, research, citations, and bibliography section is what you want. In this case, you're going to use APA style, so please select APA 6th edition. Manage sources is here, insert citation and bibliography are all in this section. We're going to click manage sources so we can input some sources. So I have some pre-built sources in a master list right now. I'm just going to tidy those up and get rid of those for now. And let's do a brand new one. So see how this has basically two big blank fields? Those are my colors, the eyes, the nose is the new, and the mouth is where your citation is going to end up. So click new for me. And you will have probably a different setting than I will. You'll probably have book selection, article, and you're like, where do I put in web page? Which is one of the most often used things right now. So click on, if you scroll down and click on website, this is the fields you need to fill in for website. So you need the author's name, or if it's a corporate author, you can put that there. Name of the web page, website, year, month, day, and URL. So URL is your web page itself. So first things first, let's go on the internet and let's bring up a page. So this one is about food insecurity and mental health during COVID. So say that I was writing a report and wanted to reference some of the ideas or something to back up my opinions in my report. I could use it in a site like this. So first things first, I'm going to grab the URL. So I click on the address bar so it turns blue. Then I right click and copy. I go back into Word, and in the URL section I right click and paste. So that part is done. Next, I will grab my title. So the name of the web page and the name of the website, people get mixed up. The name of the whole website itself, the hint is up here in the address. So this word statcan.gc.ca, Statistics Canada, that's how you know what web page it is. It's usually right after the www. In this case, it's www150 because of Canada's birthday. But Statistics Canada is the name of your website, so you can grab that and put it in. So name of your website is Statistics Canada. Name of the web page itself oops, sorry, I hit the back button. Name of the web page itself is either located right on the end here, or it's this title that is showing up here in the document. And it doesn't want to highlight for me just a second. So I'll highlight that, right click copy, go back to Word, paste that in. So that's the name of the web page you're on. Author's a little tricky sometimes. This one is fairly straightforward. Jane Poloski and Heather Gilmore wrote this. So what you'll do in the author field is click edit, and you're going to put the last first, and if they have a middle initial, put that in next. So again, that was Jane Y. Poloski, or Polsky. Polsky, Jane, and her middle name is Y, and click add. And then the other person was Heather, hold on, Heather Gilmore. Heather. There you go, and add, and then click OK, and they'll pop them in correctly. So notice the last name, comma, first name, and initial, semicolon, last name, comma, first name, semicolon. So if there's more than one author, they're separated by semicolons, but if you click the edit button, it will do that auto magically for you. Next, I need to find the year, month, and day because APA style referencing is looking for how current this information is. And I have December 16th, 2020. So let's put that in, 2020. Oops, sorry, missed one. And month is December, and the day is the 16th. And you can put in December if you want as well. That's okay as well. 12th, or you can put the month number or the month name. All right, so that is all the information I need. Now please note there's a button here for corporate author. If you check that, I don't want them in there, but if you check that, that means the author would be a corporation. And there may not be the author's name listed like there is here. Like oftentimes on these government websites, you will have, like I'll show you one. In this case, there's all these stories, but they don't have the names of who wrote them. That's because usually 20, 30 people can work on a story for a government website. Same thing sometimes happens in big corporations like Johns Hopkins University Hospital, where they're doing a lot of research, but they're well respected, and even if they don't have the name, they usually have lots of links to who may have wrote that information or participated in that particular assignment. Okay? So in those cases, you would click corporate author off and you would put in Statistics Canada, okay? Because that is a government website and that's a legal move. All right, we have all the other information there. We're going to click OK. You'll notice that it puts it in the master list and the current list. And what ends up happening now is you have a citation for in-text citations within your document, and you also have a bibliography reference. So here's the awesome thing. If I go down to the next page, okay, I'm just going to do a Control Enter. That Control Enter creates a brand new web page. I click my insertion point here. I go back to References section, and under the Bibliography tab, I'm going to click the References button, and in pops the word References and my reference put in proper APA format. Please note I usually go into here and click Enter. If I added more sources to my managed sources, I added another one, and so on, then you can click in the box and click Update Citations and Bibliography, and it will automatically put it in the correct alphabetical order and insert your new citation within your list here. So that's how you do all this, and I hope this video helps. But if you have any questions, please let me know.